Hello, and welcome to today's video on how to stay motivated as a beginner software developer. For self-taught programmers, motivation can dwindle after the initial excitement of learning something new wears off. Therefore, it's essential to be dedicated, consistent, and show up every day. Writing code every day is crucial for improvement, and reading blogs, watching videos, and taking tutorials on downtime also helps fill any gaps. As becoming a programmer is a long haul, it's essential to remember that learning takes time and dedication. We got some tips and tricks to help you stay motivated, focused, and on track. 1. Acknowledge that learning to code can be challenging. Firstly, it's essential to acknowledge that learning to code can be challenging, and it's easy to lose motivation when faced with a difficult problem. But remember that it's normal to encounter roadblocks along the way. So focus on the basics and take things one step at a time. 2. Set clear goals. To stay motivated, it's crucial to set clear goals and break them down into achievable targets. This way, you can celebrate small milestones along the way and give yourself a sense of accomplishment. 3. Create a schedule. Establishing a routine and dedicating a specific time each day or week to focus on learning to code can help you develop a good habit and make progress. Stick to your schedule as much as possible and you see the progress you're making. 4. Stay accountable. It's easier to stay motivated when you have someone to be accountable to. Sharing your progress with friends, family, or joining an online community or coding bootcamp can provide you with a support system and help you stay on track. 5. Learn in a fun and engaging way. Make learning to code fun by finding interesting projects or taking online courses that teach coding in an engaging way. Visual tutorials, interactive courses, and hands-on projects are great resources to cater to your learning style. 6. Take breaks. Taking breaks is essential to avoid burnout and staying motivated. Learning to code can be mentally exhausting, so take breaks to avoid burnout. Take a walk, meditate, or do something you enjoy. It'll help you come back with renewed sense of motivation and a fresh perspective. 7. Remember why you started. Lastly, remember why you started learning to code, whether it's to build a career, starting a business, or develop new skills. Keep your end goal in mind. It will help you focused and motivated, especially during the challenging times. In conclusion, staying motivated as a beginner software developer is all about acknowledging challenges, setting clear goals, creating a schedule, staying accountable, learning in a fun and engaging way, taking breaks, and remember why you started. Stick to these tips. You'll be sure to achieve success in no time. And that's it for today. We'll see you next time.